Hello everyone! I'm sorry to say, but the winner of this 2000 subscribers art supplies giveaway hasn't contacted me yet. So that means that I need to pick another winner. We copy the address and paste it right here. Reloading the comments. And time to pick a new winner. So Verde Prato, sorry again, I'm not sure if I pronounced it properly, but congratulations, you're winner number 2. I hope you are able to let me know soon what your address is. I will give you till Sunday night, midnight, New York City time. I will leave a comment under your comment so that you get a notice from me. And hopefully I'll hear from you before Sunday. And congratulations! Thanks again everyone for participating. I'll see you later. Bye bye!